How to make emoji smaller on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Here, scroll down to the Display section and go to Display Zoom. Here, you can choose a view for iPhone. Note that larger text shows larger controls but default shows more content. Select Default. And then, go to the top right corner and tap on Done. All the apps and text on your phone will now become smaller. Now, go back and open up the Messages app. In the Messages page, go to the top right corner and tap on the new message icon. Here, tap on the text bar below to open the keyboard. Then, tap on the emoji key below. As you can see, the emojis will also appear smaller now. Following these steps, you can easily make emoji smaller on iPhone.